Biomolecules. Part 4. Chemical Analysis. To analyze chemical composition, one has to perform chemical analysis. Let's discuss the steps of chemical analysis. We have to take a living tissue, e.g. vegetable, then grind it in trichloroacetic acid with the help of mortar and pestle. By filtering through cheesecloth, we obtain a thick slurry. Then two fractions are obtained. Filtrate, or acid-soluble fraction, contains micromolecules. Pellet, or acid-insoluble fraction, contains macromolecules. You have to remember that acid-soluble fractions are organic compounds, but acid-insoluble fractions are both organic and inorganic compounds. Analysis of inorganic compounds. It can be done through ash analysis. First, living tissue dried to lose water. The dried matter have less weight than the living tissue. This is because some volatile substances and gases are lost, like NO2, CO2, SO2. Remaining material is called as ash, which is analyzed chemically. Here is the representative inorganic constituent of living tissue. Components are sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, water and compounds like sodium chloride, calcium carbonate etc. Acid-soluble pool represents roughly the cytoplasmic composition, but acid-insoluble pool or macromolecules represents both acid cytoplasm and organelles. Together they represent the entire chemical composition of living tissues or organisms. Do you know average composition of living cells? Water 70 to 90%, protein 10 to 15%, carbohydrates 3%, lipids 2%, nucleic acid 5 to 7%, ions 1%. Let us discuss the three types of bonds occur in the formation of polymeric biomolecules. 1. Peptide bond. 2. Glycosidic bond. 3. Phosphorester bond. We will discuss every type of bond with diagram. The three types of bond will be analyzed at topic nucleotides. Now we will enter the topic carbohydrates on the next video of the series. From the next time, video duration is managed according to topic. Keep tuned. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more biological videos first. Bye. We will meet on our next video. Do you know about devil's pepper? Get it at biodiversity topic. Switch to I button or end screen to get biomolecules playlist.